Irreecha. What is Irreecha? Irreecha or Irreechaa is an Oromo thanksgiving and forgive asking ceremony. The word Irreecha came from Irreechaa, means the power of God or prize giving to the God. There are two kinds of Irreecha. These are Irreecha Galata, the thanksgiving Irreecha, and Irreecha Araraa, the forgive asking Irreecha. The first one, Irreecha Galata, thanksgiving Irreecha ceremony has been exercising at the lake or in river meadows in which green grasses or leaves are presented. And the second one is Irreecha Araraa, which means the forgive asking Irreecha, which is exercising on the mountain slopes. The purpose of thanksgiving Irreecha is for passing through the darkness disaster of winter by the help of God or Waka to the bright hope spring season of September. And the second, asking forgiveness Irreecha, is for the sake of asking forgiveness to the God to protect them from the disaster of drought season and from any kind of natural disasters may come to the country and the nation. Why Oromo prefer around water to thank his God? According to Sisay Bulbula, study hard about Oromo philosophy, Afan Oromo, and Oromo culture very well. Every science is found in Afan Oromo. What made Afan Oromo different from all language spoken entire the world is Afan Oromo not only presents a single word, object, or an idea, but also it describes why that word is given to that object or an idea. What does it mean that word is deep inside within its implications? For example, if we take the word water, it means directly Bishan in Afan Oromo. And if you ask why Oromo is saying Bishan, Bishan means Bifshan, which means water is found in 5 forms. And the water, when it falls down, has the sound Sha. So, the word Bishan comes from Bifshan. What does this mean? 1. Water is found in the form of liquid. 2. Water is found in the form of evaporation. 3. Water is found in the form of cloud. 4. Water is found in the form of ice. And 5. Water is found in the form of blood. Thus, human being, tame and wild animals, plants, soil, and all nature need water for survival. Water is life. No one can survive without water. And the water is also found everywhere, in the air, on the land, and the inner part of the earth abundantly. Oromo believes water is very much closer to the soul of human being than anything. That is why Oromo takes place. It is Irreecha, the thanksgiving Irreecha, or Irreecha Galata at the lake near to the water. Irreecha is the spirit of peace, love, and forgiveness at all. Likewise, when we ask and study why Oromo is exercising Irreecha Araraa on the tip of mountain, we found Old Testament Bible. Old Testament Bible is narrating more about Kush and its cultural activity widely. And Oromo is one of the elder Cushitic descendants. When you go to Bible, Genesis chapter 8, number 4, we all can witness the truth. The Genesis flood narrative is among the best known stories of Bible. In this account, Noah labored faithfully to build the ark at the God's command, ultimately saving not only his own family, but mankind itself and all land animals from extinction during the flood, which God created after regretting that the world was full of sin. Afterwards, God made a covenant with Noah and promised never again to destroy all the earth's creature with flood. And on the 17th day of the 7th month, the ark came to rest on the mountains of Ararat. Araraa means forgiveness. That is why Oromo has been going to mountains during asking forgiveness. Mareo, mareo, mareo. Birbirsi darare ya folle sumatu nawame. Birbirsa horro fit en harbuda. Ayole jetti gafa lubbuda. Ummatni dubbi darse mbeku. Mazgabatu jira kankana egu. These are songs during Irreecha. Happy 6,417th years of Irreecha according to the Ayana Birbo, without difference of region and religion, without difference of political ideologies, without difference of gender, to all humankind. Irreecha, Irreecha, power of God, but also Irreechi, Irreekenya. It is our unity, our power too. Please share and like. Also, subscribe our channel not to lose our next program. Thanks for today. Bye for now.